Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. In this video I show you how to clear the cache of your browser. Watching this video is very important for web developers, especially for those web developers who work with front-end libraries or frameworks like React, Vue, and front-end framework like Angular are designed to be efficient, to cache most of things so that it does not use your internet because it takes time to download and get all the code again and again from the backend server. I have also worked with ASP.NET Core web application. It also caches most of its code. And if you're working with the ASP application, you have to know how to empty cache and hard reload. Normal reload most of the time does not clear the cache and does not refresh the CSS and the icons. And also for some links, when you load the link, it also first download the content for that link to display the link. So it is very important for you to know how to clear the cache or empty cache properly. So to clear the cache properly, you uh, inspect the web app, or you go to the open the div tools. When the div tools is open, then you long press on reload button, and you get normal reload, hard reload, empty cache, and hard reload. Most of the time hard reload also clears or empties the cache and refreshes the state of your application and removes possible errors. You see the new changes, you see the new state, you see the new link codes. Uh, so in short, it completely refreshes the application. And empty cache and hard reload is also most of the time the same as hard reload. So to be 100% sure to empty the cache and to see all the new changes, you should click on empty cache and hard reload. I hope you found the video useful. Thank you guys for watching and